Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. When we're working with mind-body practices, we're working with energy. These practices can help us to balance our energy. For instance, bringing down frenetic energy, lifting up sluggish energy. Can also help us to restore and replenish the energy and move stuck energy. Can think of stuck energy in a very simple form as tension or tightness in the body. Most of us have felt that or feel that on a regular basis in the neck and the shoulders. Try these very simple movements that take just a couple of minutes to release some of this stuck energy in the upper body. Bring your hands into little finger pads or bear claws, I like to call it, and tap along either side of your breastbone into the lung space, moving any stuck energy here. At the same time, you could also exhale through the mouth with a ha sound, which is very releasing and cleansing. You can take that tapping on the side of the neck and across the shoulder. You'll breathe with your natural breath or continue if it feels okay with the ha breath. Bring it up and through the back of the neck. And then taking your hands to tap over the spot here between the thoracic and the cervical spine, which is an area that can be very stuck. Just tap it. Shifting that stuck energy. And then bring it down. Roll your shoulders. Relax the shoulders down. Pause and breathe. Just notice perhaps some tingling sensation in your upper body. This is the energy flowing. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to learn more about how to very easily, in a very manageable way, bring these mind-body practices into your daily routine, join me for the daily 10-minute. You can learn more about the daily 10-minute at www.chanvar.com. See you soon.